Hello everyone, my name is Gifty and welcome to my channel, The Day is Delight. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make this tasty goat pepper soup. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please don't forget to comment down below. Thank you. So now we are about to start with our pepper soup. So on the medium heat, I added my goat meat and my SHAKI, which is the goat tripes I'm using. I added a bit of salt and we are going to cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. So to start with our pepper soup spice, in my mortar here I have some ginger, some ANISEED, some garlic, some black peppercorn, some pimento seeds and some cloves, and we are going to blend everything together. So now our goat meat and our goat tripes has been cooking for about 15 minutes and this is what we are looking for. So now I'm going to add my offal to it, and that's the internal organs of the animal, and we are using goat as well. So everything is goat liver, goat kidneys and goat heart, and I'm adding some goat feet as well, which I pre-smoked in my grill to reduce the cooking time as well. And I added my pepper soup spice and I added some cube seasoning and a bit of water. We are going to cook it for about 10 to 20 minutes. So to start with our pepper blend, in my blender has 1 bell peppers, some green chilies, some scotch bonnet, ginger and some celery. I'm going to add some onion. It depends how spicy you want your soup. You can add more chilies and reduce it if you don't want any more chilies. And I'm going to add some water to blend. Now our meat has been cooking for about 20 minutes now, and I'm telling you the aroma in this kitchen smells so good. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please don't forget to share my videos. So we added our pepper blend and a bit of water, and we're going to mix everything together and cook it for about 40 minutes. And please make sure you try this recipe out. Thank you. So you're going to season with all-purpose seasoning. You can season it to your taste, and I added some lemon juice to give it extra flavor. And now our pepper soup is ready. I'm telling you, it smells so good in this kitchen. You need to try this recipe out for your Father's Day celebration. You can eat this with some fufu, with some rice, and serve it as a starter. And please don't forget to share my videos. And please don't forget to comment down below if you want me to do any recipes. Thank you to all my lovely subscribers. Bye bye.